Mr. Luke. Say hi.
The Emily Center's pretty cool.
Is it?
It's like you can go in and get information on diagnoses and use computers and stuff. They have computers in there.
I wonder if they have lots of information about neuroblastomas.
I'm sure they do. Cold Rose.
I'm gonna read Luke's first book. For all those excited and interested in children's literature.
My first book of wild animals.
It's the wild animal book. Oh my word.
It's a zebra.
A zebra. What does the zebra say?
I don't know. I mean, I do, but I can't.
They're really hard to say. There's a book that we have for Levi. Okay, how about the tiger? What does the tiger say? Let's go. Wow. What does the lion say?
The same thing.
Lion goes, meow. Or roar. And the fox. What does the fox say? Now you can Google it. There's a whole song. I don't remember all the words, but it makes some noises. And then the wolf goes, oh, I'm a wolf. And the giraffe, I don't know what they say. I've seen a lot of giraffes. They always just stick their tongue out and they're like, give me some food. And the zebra is like a weird sound that I can't do. This is a tough book. Gosh. Now we got the kangaroo. They go hop, hop. Yeah, and then the deer. What the hell do deer do? This is like the book of animals that don't make sounds that you can make. Okay. Unless it's roar. So we got a bear and a polar bear. The bear goes. And the polar bear does the same thing. They're both kind of boring. And then the hippo, also not sure what it makes. It just opens its mouth. It's probably like yawn. It's like chomp. And then the rhino just goes snort. It's like and then it, tramples things. Rhinos are awesome. We like rhinos. And then the panda, I don't know if pandas roar. I think they might, but they feel awfully chill. And then the elephant also can't make the sound, but there is a book that says they say aroo, which is a little easier to say. So it says aroo. And then the monkey is like ooh, ooh. And the gorilla, I don't think they make that sound. They're more just like grunting, like I'm a gorilla. The koala. This is really a tough book. I have no idea what the koala says, or the porcupine. This is not a sounds book. You got the exotic sounding animals. Alligator, crocodile, it I think makes kind of a roar sound. And the cheetah, I think they go rawr, sort of, but actually probably a lot more like meow. Somewhere in between. And that was your first book. That was pretty exciting, wasn't it? This video was fun. Should we read you your second book? So your second book doesn't have animals in it. Cold Rose. Now she's not from Arizona because she's cold. So we got cold clothes, cold nose. Luke is comfy and warm. Cold toes, cold rose, warm clothes. We found the solution. Warm clothes. That helps. in your case, blankies. Warm toes with bunny slippers and warm nose from the steam from a cup, which has never worked for me before. And warm Rose. So in this case, Rose has a fireplace. Luke lives in Arizona, and he's just warm. And he has a blankie. That's the story time for today. The end.